Let's look at comorbidity prevalence in dyslexic individuals and why there should be a high degree of suspicion of additional neurodevelopmental disorders and problems co-occurring with a dyslexia diagnosis. I'd like to reference a study, The Co-Occurrence of Neurodevelopmental Problems in Dyslexia, that was completed in 2021 utilizing the data from the child and adolescent twin study in Sweden, which was supported by the Swedish Research Council. The study looked at neurodevelopmental disorders and problems, NDPs, as a whole, as well as specific disorders, including attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, autism spectrum disorder, developmental coordination disorder, and atypical sensory perception. The direct quote from the study states, results revealed an eight-fold increase in NDP prevalence in the dyslexia group compared to typical readers. Here's a deeper look at the specific results of the study. The results for at least one NDP for the dyslexia group was 37.5%, compared to the non-dyslexic group at only 4.6%. The results for at least two NDPs for the dyslexia group was 16.4% versus the non-dyslexia group at only 1.3%. The results for at least three NDPs for the dyslexia group was 9.4%, and for the non dyslexia group, it was only 0.4%. The results for ADHD for the dyslexia group was 21.1% versus the non dyslexia group at only 1.8%. The results for autism spectrum disorder for the dyslexia group was 11.7% versus the non dyslexic group at only 0.9%. The results for developmental coordination disorder for the dyslexia group was 14.8% versus the non dyslexic group at 1.7%. The results of atypical sensory perception in the dyslexia group was 18.8% versus the non dyslexia group at only 2.1%. These results demonstrate the need for a high level of suspicion of additional comorbidities when a dyslexia diagnosis is made.